you want to do a little box? Yeah? Which one do you want to do? We got a box.
With puppets we need to make.
We're going to do the one with puppets. And for some reason we'll be dressed as a pirate today, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why is that?
Because I love pirates. They
Are you-
have swords to defeat humans or bad guys.
Are pirates good or bad?
Bad.
So you're a bad boy.
And pirates are good to other pirates.
Ah, okay, that's great. As long as I'm a pirate, I've got nothing to fear. Oh no! Ah!
I know
No!
it's Vincent.
Okay, Kiwi box. This week is puppet engineering. Let's do puppet. Show me. What?
Do your own one.
It's gonna be super cool. Mother, we're doing puppets. So we're gonna do one like this. And
I'm getting everything.
you got 3. You're gonna do the marionette, the talking puppet.
Sweaters.
And we can make a theater with the
And
box.
stickers.
We got all sorts of things.
What?
Because
A
look,
head.
a
Look
what?
what I found.
What?
It's a hole.
I can see your eye. Okay, shall we get it done? Vincent, which one you want? A rabbit, a lion, or a bear? Would you like? You can do rabbit, lion, or bear. Show me.
It's like an Easter bunny.
We're gonna do an Easter bunny.
Which one?
Mommy's doing the controls over there for the puppet.
What?
That's the lion.
I want to be the puppet.
You're a little puppet.
I think Teddy could be the puppet.
Can I have a bead, please?
Okay.
Put it here. And
Nice.
we put it all the way onto these 2. There it is.
Awesome.
And
Not-
pull it all the way through.
All the way.
All the
There we go.
There's one more in the
And
middle.
we're gonna do another one on that side. Big bead now.
Oh, we don't need to push it in this time.
We do a little bit like that.
Tiny bit.
Very good. Now we need
Nose
2
up.
eyes. Put it lower there.
Yay! Bunny! There's our puppet done there, isn't it, Vincent?
Wait.
Oh,
These.
now we're gonna put it on the and the final touch.
But what do we do so our puppet moves?
Well, you'll see about this. That's why we are hanging it there.
You hold it here.
Whoa! Look who's the puppeteer. Now you lift it on one side so you can say hello. Hello. Not like this. You do it like this, so it's dancing. Yay! Yay! Whoa! Hands up! Shall we do like the puppet, Vincent? I'm gonna control you like a puppet. Left, right. Hands up! Now we're gonna do it so it looks like it's walking.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. Hands up! Hands down. And dance the boogie! Try to control this one. Remember, you lift it on one side and then the other.
Bim, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. Yay, yay, ba-dum, yay, 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 yay.
Okay. He lost his head! He lost his head!
Now he does these ears.
Oh, we're gonna make it a lion now.
I want to do it. Daddy,
Faster off. Done this one. We'll leave it there for a second. And now we're gonna do the talking puppets, okay, Vincent? Hey, Vincent, do you know what else is a talking puppet?
You are.
No, you are.
You are.
No, Mummy is. Okay, start with the soft strips. You're gonna take some of the feathers, you're gonna glue them on.
Like to play?
Yeah, whichever color. Ah, the cat is helping.
Yeah, but wait, look, the feathers are all going that way. Then at the back. Okay,
Ooh.
good.
Oh, like this.
Put it on the table so that it's all straight and nice. That's
That's how we do the beds on. I have an idea. Here.
Nice.
One for me.
One frame for Vincent, one for Mummy. Oh, right. That's then. That's gonna make them talk, is it?
yeah. Like this. And on the other side we're gonna. Why two? I don't know.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna eat you, Vincent.
Oh, that's what it's for. This
Yeah.
is to open the mouth.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which one are you gonna do, Vincent?
It's just
Mommy.
it's pre-folded.
Crocodile or bird? Crocodile, bird. Crocodile, bird. Sausage? You're gonna do a sausage?
Hey, that's enough sausage.
Pre-folded.
What?
Okay.
Minion.
It looks now the crocodile open releasing it. And the bird.
Mom. Vincent's work. Vincent. I've got scary teeth.
Do you know what we can do, Vincent? Vincent, shall we go and get the little theater that we did a while ago? Remember that, Mommy?
Yeah.
We're gonna get the theater and Lee and Lily Muppets and we're gonna play with all the Muppets.
I will get the puppets.
I will get Mummy, follow us.
No.
He's the leader. Follow the leader. I'm the cat here. Okay.
Okay.
I got it. Look at this. You're gonna put a link for all of the puppets so you can download and print it. All you have to do is glue it on a bit of cardboard, and that's it.
But the mommy, the cameraman has made one on his mommy's tablet, and he sent it to other people.
Which one is your favorite, Vincent?
Mine is Unipony. The cat is our biggest performer of the day. The catastrophe. Meow. We're also going to put the plans for the theater. If someone wants to download it, there'll be a link in the description. I'm not sure the cat is enjoying this here. Cat, are you helping again? You're playing with the puppets too. He's playing with the puppets, Vincent. Ah! Look, the cat is a puppeteer. Well done, cat.
One day, there was a bird.
What did the bird say? Ah! Hello. Haven't seen you in a while, crocodile, said the bird. Hi.
You can't be high as me. You can't go high as me.
Oh, I see. I can't fly, but I can swim.
Let's see who can.
What's happening here? I'd love to fly like you. Let's put Berry there.
Bye-bye.
Ah, it fell. Oh, who's that coming? I'm falling.
I
Ah.
can eat you. I can eat you. Yum, 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 yum.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Spiky.
Hello, Spiky.
Let's be friends. I like your feathers a lot.
I can fly too. Actually, I'm sitting here. Well, what is happening here? I think I see a bird.
Oh, so I see a boat.
I see you, crocodile. Whoops. Okay, now we're going to do our own stories, okay? Shall we all say bye-bye from behind here?
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What? I think the cat wants to be the... Hello, cat. Ah! Oh no! He's eating Unipony!
Join us for my experiments. Subscribe.